Hey, it's Christian from Delmi, and I'm here with
Roland.
And today we received a package from Allied Telesis from one of our friends, Louise.
We are going to be opening this box and see exactly what he did send to us. But I know, Louis, if you're watching, we want to really say thank you to you and Allied Telesis for thinking about Delmi Training and also trying to support what we do here. All right, so Christian, you're going to do the honors and open it and we'll take a look. Oh, a lot of products, huh?
I like the way they package it too.
Yeah. Well, so let's see the first product. I think the first product that it did send was, this is a power supply. 100 volts to 240, and the output is 48 volts at 2.5 amps. Goes in here, output. Then this is DIN rail mountable. So that's pretty good, pretty cool. Let's see what the next product is. What do you think this one is?
Media converter.
Oh, this is a media converter?
I think so.
You're cheating, you were reading. So it comes with some documentation, and we have this. So well packaged, and this is a media converter. You are right. Okay, so this is an SC fiber port, Sam Charlie. That's what it is, and we have Ethernet ports here, and it's got 48 to 57 volts DC. We can look at the data sheet for more. What do you think this one is? It's a switch?
Yeah.
You seem to know everything, right? So definitely this looks like we need to use one of these power supplies to connect to it, because the industrial switches, they all come with DIN rail mountable. So that's also got the DIN rail right behind it, but it's got some weight to it. How much do you think this weighs?
6-7 pounds.
About that. The small thing. So it supports PoE++, and PoE++ is up to max 100 watts. So yeah, we are going to be using this in class. Guess what this is?
This one's a big switch.
It's a big switch.
Yeah.
You were talking to this guy. So what we have, documentation as usual. Documentation, and it's got some schematics here. It's got some additional documentation, more documentation. So we have a switch here, and this is an 8-port switch with 2 fiber uplink ports and the console. So obviously it's got a 110 to 240 volts AC input here, and we have that. Again, we got to check the data sheet to see what this is capable of doing. We're going to put this to the test. We're going to make another video of this once we start to do this, but this video is actually just to unbox and see. So guys, stay tuned for the next video where we actually put these in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next one.